Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you an amazing product that's perfect for adding a touch of class to your home. The company name HITOO or HITOO, the gold battery operated wall scone set of two. These stunning wall lights are not only energy efficient and battery operated, but they are also come with a wireless recharger that allows up to 42 hours for illumination. So let's unbox with me. Let's see what's inside the box. It's come with a remote, manual instruction, charging wire, wall mount, and the crystal scone. Look at these are so pretty. These stunning and versatile wall lights are perfect for any space in your home. Assembling is very easy. Installation is a breeze with these battery operated scones. No need to complicated wiring or drilling. Just mount them on the wall and you're good to go. Plus they come with a powerful rechargeable battery, ensuring long lasting performance without frequent charging. So this is my bedroom before this wall scone, and this is with the wall scone. Look at the difference, how beautiful it is. One of the standout feature of these scones are their dimmable LED lights. With the include remote control, you can easily adjust the brightness to the suit to your mood. Activity. Need a bright light for reading? No problem. Prefer a soft glow for cozy evening? You got it. The remote control also allows you to turn the light on and off from anywhere in the room. In the summary, the gold battery operated wall scone set of two from HITOO are the fantastic addition to any home with their elegant design, dimmable LED lights, easy installation, and rechargeable battery. They offer both style and convenience, so decor your home with these beautiful wall scones and enjoy the perfect blend of form and function. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product review and home decor tips. Order yours today. Purchase link in the description below.